Welcome to the brand new Jarvis Ford Gepps Cross, where innovation, comfort and customer care come together under one roof. Let's take a look. Purpose-built to give you the ultimate dealership experience, our new facility brings everything Ford into one modern, convenient location. From the moment you arrive, our friendly reception team is here to guide you through our showroom, service centre and customer lounge. Our spacious showroom is designed to make your car buying journey relaxed and enjoyable, with comfortable seating, complimentary refreshments and a team ready to answer every question. Discover the complete Ford range, all on display so you can explore up close. Our on-site service team takes pride in making sure your Ford leaves spotless, shining and ready for the road. Come see us at the new Jarvis Ford Gepps Cross, your one-stop shop for everything Ford in Adelaide.